Hello, I'm Youmna, co-founder and chief growth officer at Troc Circle, and we help businesses unlock stock capital in their account receivable. We are on a mission to bring fairness to the whole supply chain by streamlining account receivable and account payable processes and removing the financial gridlock problem. How do we do it? Through our open netting platform. Just to refresh your memory what netting is the act of offsetting an account receivable with an account payable without moving money. What's the impact of this financial gridlock problem I'm talking about? More than 14 trillion of capital is stuck in today's supply chain. To solve this financial gridlock problem, we have developed two complementary in-house technologies, circular netting and chain netting. Circular netting is the case when 2 or 3 or hundreds of businesses are working together in an interrelated way. We detect the connection between the businesses simply because we are connected to their accounting system through an API connection. We then detect the common amount between the invoices, which is always the netted amount. We propose netting opportunities to the different parties that are involved, and once they accept the netting opportunity, automatic receipts are generated, and it means removing the financial gridlock problem in this interrelated supply chain network. Now, we know that not all businesses are interrelated. This is why we have pushed our technology even further and combined the advantages of supply chain financing with netting, which we call chain netting. We are able to net out also the common amount between the different parties simply by fast forwarding the payment from the first node in the chain to the last node in the chain and doing the netting on the middle nodes. So what's the value for any business that would like to leverage our solution? It's a better, more efficient working capital. Through netting, we are liberating the stock capital without affecting sales. It's better terms and conditions from suppliers because we are integrating the advantages of supply chain financing with netting, hence paying suppliers on time and sometimes earlier, leading to better terms and conditions. It's a fast forwarding of account receivable through our platform, through Troc Circle. Any business can collect 10 times faster. Fourth, but not least, it's netting at live market rate, hence zero FX fees. To implement our solution for small to medium-sized businesses, we are offering a supplier virtual card. Any business can pay out now instantaneously their supplier through this supplier virtual card. How does it work? Businesses need to connect to Troc Circle's platform. We pull out the information of account receivable and account payables, detect the outstanding account payables per supplier. Businesses can now assign a virtual supplier card to the supplier and pay out instantaneously their outstanding account payables. The advantages of using this supplier virtual card, it's less manual work, instant payouts, and less transaction fees, just to name a few. Now, how is all of that related to a financial institution? We would like to partner with a financial institution that share our value of bringing fairness to the whole supply chain. Through leveraging our chain netting technology, any financial institution can now finance a whole supply chain instead of a single node within the chain. We are compliant with regulations and supported by PwC. We are compatible with different accounting systems, 18 as we speak of. Our goal is to be cost efficient, fair, and open to any business within the supply chain. So how does it all work with a financial institution? Well, before Troc Circle, a financial institution has visibility on only one company within the chain, Company A, and earns money from Company A. After leveraging our chain netting algorithm, a financial institution can fast forward the payment to the last beneficiary in a supply chain and finance the whole chain. How do we do it? Fast forwarding the payment and doing the netting on the middle nodes. So what's the advantages for any financial institution? It's doing more with less. So with the same capital, financing a whole supply chain, which is a win-win solution for the treasury and trade department, the client, and the whole ecosystem. It's also better economics. Financial institutions can now offer better interest rate to their core client while still earning interest rate from other nodes within the chain that are benefiting from this finance. Thirdly, it's better AML checks and compliance. We do the KYB for every single business that is benefiting from this financing, as well as it's better AML checks because we are decreasing the number of transactions to the minimum, hence improving in the layering aspect of the AML check. As a conclusion, any financial institution will have a better price and KYB benefit for the financial institution, for the core client, as well as the whole ecosystem. I am happy to showcase our solution to any bank, any trading company, any manufacturing company, and any logistic company that would like to benefit from our solution. I'm Youmna, co-founder and Chief Growth Officer at Troc Circle. Happy to talk.